Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Data Visualization with Python, Cognitive Class Answers Explained. Introduction. Data visualization is a crucial aspect of data analysis as it helps in understanding patterns, trends, and relationships within data. Python offers numerous libraries for data visualization, and one popular choice is matplotlib, often used in conjunction with pandas and seaborn. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of data visualization with Python using Cognitive Class Answers dataset. Prerequisites. Dataset. We'll be using the Cognitive Class Answers dataset, which contains information about users' interaction with various courses on the Cognitive Class platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. Step 2. Load the dataset. Step 3. Data exploration. Before visualizing the data, let's take a quick look at its structure and contents. Step 4. Data visualization. Now, let's create some visualizations to gain insights from the data. A. Histogram of course views. B. Box plot of course completion rates. C. Scatter plot of course views versus completion rates. Step 5. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored the basics of data visualization with Python using the Cognitive Class Answers dataset. We learned how to load the dataset, explore its structure, and create various types of visualizations such as histograms, box plots, and scatter plots. Data visualization is a powerful tool for gaining insights from data and communicating findings effectively. Further learning. Happy visualizing. ChatGPT.